shares also. This according to the LEC Memorandum and Article of Association. This means the LEC board reports to the shareholder representative. The board reports to the shareholder. The board reports to the shareholder during the AGM. Kapa ha re kopa any information eo re ka ra e kopang re le shareholder, the board it tla refer that information because we are the shareholders. Section 4 of the Companies Act e a re dumella hore re kope all the information eo re hlokang from LEC. Ke batla ke bontshe hape mohlompe hore le monswana se
Chairperson.
ka
Chairperson.
financial public financial management.
Chairperson. Ekere. Na the PS da ho fa tsona ke di mothuse. The shareholding is signed PS and the PS, which is Mr. Leleka and his deputy Tau at that time. They were doing it on behalf of the government, not on behalf of the position of being the PS or DPS. You are not the government. The shareholder of that company is the government of Lesotho. So Nigeria is like your way. Oskanare, PS and DPS are shareholders. It was an administrative tool, not a legal tool, to register the company on behalf of the government in the Ministry of Energy at that time. So please, don't mislead the House.
The PS, you are not. No, you can't expect members of the committee. We do have those documents. That is why who signed the documents on behalf of the Lesotho government, not on behalf of themselves. Really, tabaena o hlalosang ka nnete jwalo ka ha ke ne ke se ke ifitile re utlwisisa haholo mme ha e re thuse from our earlier arguments. You have submitted it, we have taken note of it. Ke rata hore re o lebohe re tswele pele. Be directed. That the PS ere go direct ere go direct. O rile ga nka di hora tse nne o se just on this matter ya hore na PS e kena jwang ka hara LEC. We agreed that legally ka molao ha hona mo PS a kenang teng tsamaisong ya LEC. We cannot go back ya ba re lo batla something else which is not